Hi, I'm Dan at Michael Engineering. Today we are running our supery. We will be running a clear silicone and making a small mold. And we welcome you to join the process in doing this. First, we will plug in the air supply to charge the system. Then, we will purge out some material till both sides come out the nose. This clears any obstruction from the nose of the manifold. Wipe the end of the manifold clean. Fit the mixer. Put on the mixer nut and purge any air and unmixed material while purging out 1/2 to 3/4 the volume of the mixer to ensure that we are getting fully mixed material. We pour the mold while burying the tip of the mixer under the surface of the material as to not entrap air. If we had any other molds to pour, we would do them at this time. Next, we disconnect the mixer nut and discard the static mixer. Purge a little material out to clean the nose of the manifold and then wipe the end of the manifold clean. Next, disconnect the air supply to discharge the system. At this point, we are finished and ready to end the shift or end of day.
Simple, economical, dependable at michaelengineering.com. For all dispensing needs, you can contact us for speed at michaelengineering.com.